Hello. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss Noll card at length for traveling in Dubai's public transport, metro, buses, trams, taxis and water transport, besides its uses at several other places in Dubai vis-a-vis removing all confusions and doubts hovering around the Noll card. Like, why is Noll card essential to travel in public transport? What are Noll card utilities and validities? What are Noll card variants? What is cost of each Noll card variant? Which card is best to buy, and where to buy it from? Let's begin with to understand that Noll card is essential to travel in any mode of Dubai's public transport managed by Dubai's Road and Transport Authority, RTA, which includes metro, buses, trams, taxis, water transport. Dubai's transport system is divided into 7 zones. The unique feature is that the fare is calculated on the basis of the zones one has crossed for reaching one's final destination, irrespective of the distance one has traveled. In addition, it is a multi-purpose card, allows you to pay for groceries, snacks in over 2,000 shops, eateries mostly around metro. Pay for taxes, fuel, RTA parking, museums, parks. You can buy it at all the metro stations, ticket vending machines, RTA kiosks, or authorized agents spread all around the Dubai city, or online. Number 1, red card. It's a sort of paper-based ticket or card. Best for short stayers or single journey trips. Upfront cost is 2 dirhams with 0 credit, usable only after loading amount. You will have 2 options for using it. Option 1, point-to-point journey trip in either metro, or in bus, or in tram at a time, and you need to pay as per the zones you are going to cross. The fare for traveling within 1 zone is 4 dirhams, within 2 zones 6 dirhams, and within 3 or 3 plus zones 8.50 dirhams. And option 2, unlimited 1-day, daily pass for traveling in any, or all the RTA transport, metro, buses or trams. The 1-day pass costs 20 dirhams for a standard pass, and 40 dirhams for a gold pass. Validity. The red card is rechargeable for maximum 10 single journeys, or maximum 5 times for 1-day passes within 90 days. Number 2, silver card. It's a standard NOL card, best for tourists, valid for 5 years. This multipurpose card is not only used for traveling in metros, buses, trams, but also at other places as mentioned earlier in the beginning. The upfront cost is 25 dirhams with 19 dirhams usable credit value. You have got 3 options. Option 1, point-to-point journey trip in any or in all the modes, metro, buses, trams. Fare will automatically be deducted out of the credit value available in your silver card on reaching the final destination. The fare for traveling within 1 zone is 3 dirhams, within 2 zones 5 dirhams, and within 3 or 3 plus zones 7.50 dirhams. Option 2, unlimited 7-day standard pass for traveling in any or in all the modes, metro, buses, trams. This costs 50 dirhams for traveling within 1 zone, 80 dirhams within 2 zones, and 110 dirhams in all the 7 zones. And option 3, using it a mix of both point-to-point journey trip and unlimited 7-day pass. You only need to top up over and above the 7-day pass amount. You can upload up to 1,000 dirhams. The over and above the cost of 7-day pass, the rest can be used for payment at other shops or places mentioned earlier, and also for using RTA's water transport, which is not covered under 7-day pass. Number 3, gold card. It's a premium or privilege card for traveling in first class or premium class, called gold class. The validity and utility are the same as that of the silver card except traveling in gold class, the premium class of the RTA's public transport. Upfront cost is 25 dirhams with 19 dirhams usable credit value. Like silver card, you will have 3 options. Option 1, point-to-point journey trip. The fare for traveling within one zone is 6 dirhams, within 2 zones 10 dirhams, and within 3 or 3+ zones 15 dirhams. Option 2, unlimited 7-day gold pass. This will cost you 100 dirhams for traveling within one zone, 160 dirhams within 2 zones, and 220 dirhams in all the 7 zones. Option 3, using it a mix of both point-to-point journey trip and unlimited 7-day gold pass. You only need to top up over and above the 7-day gold pass amount. You can upload up to 1,000 dirhams in the card. The over and above the cost of 7-day gold pass, the rest can be used for payment at other places like shops, parks, etc. As mentioned in the beginning of this video, and for traveling in RTA's water transport, which is not covered under 7-day gold pass. Note: wherever gold class or premium class is not available in any mode of transport, regular standard fare is charged. Number 4, Blue Card, a personalized photo card for daily or regular commuters, local or longer stayers. This is available only through online with Emirat ID, and it comes with a special feature, secure card balance in cases when this card is lost or stolen. This card can be recharged up to 5,000 dirhams. Blue Card is also a concessional card, gives 50% off to students and senior citizens and free to people with determination. For others, the trip costs the same as for silver card or gold card holders. Upfront cost is 70 dirhams with 20 dirhams credit value. The validity and utility are the same as that of the silver card or gold card. Next is NOL cards catch points. Catch number 1 in red card, validity for point-to-point trip in RTA transport is maximum 10 trips on a red card ticket. Also, for point-to-point single trip, you can only use one means of transport at a time. If you purchase a one-day pass, you can then link up journeys on all the RTA modes of transport: metro, buses, trams excluding RTA water transport, and special buses. Link of such buses is given in the DB. Catch number 2 in silver card and gold card, there must always be a minimum balance of 750 dirhams and 15 dirhams respectively in your respective cards for point-to-point journey trip before boarding any RTA public transport. Also, unlimited 7-day pass excludes rides in RTA's water transport and in special buses. Catch number 3, the unlimited 1-day pass or 7-day pass is not valid for 24-hourly basis, but on day basis, irrespective of time of the day you first board in any RTA transport will be counted as 1 day. Catch number 4, the non-refundable buying cost is 2 dirhams for red card and 6 dirhams each for the silver card, gold card and blue card. Catch number 5, while boarding or deboarding any RTA transport or switching transport, you must always ensure that the NOL card is successfully scanned in the card reader machine. Tips: listen beep or see green signal, or else a maximum full fare will be charged irrespective of the distance you have traveled. Catch number 6, refund of unused balance in silver card or in gold card is refundable. If the remaining balance on the card is below 100 dirhams, it is paid in cash. If it is over 100 dirhams, then it is transferred to another registered NOL card holder. All refund requests approved within 4 days. For more informative videos on travel tips, do keep watching this channel. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and who have not yet subscribed, no hurry, could do so whenever feel like doing it.